Okay, so in our first half of this mini lecture, we talked about individual learning, and now we're going to talk just briefly about the process of social learning, which we said was just learning by watching others. This will be a quick one, so I'll remind you about social learning later on in the quarter, and we'll come back to some more examples of this. Social learning is associated with something that we call cultural transmission. So you might hear it referred to that way. And your book does a really nice job of going through lots and lots of examples of cultural transmission, some of which happen in humans, but also in other species. So cultural transmission is just a system of information transfer that affects an individual's phenotype by means of either teaching or some form of social learning. So what I want to do to talk about cultural transmission is just give you one of the greatest examples of this. This is my favorite. Cultural transmission happens in a variety of different contexts, some of which will come up later. But the example that I want to introduce you to now is cultural transmission of potato washing in macaques. So we're going to have some animal behavior fun here, and we're going to watch a quick David Attenborough video about this topic. So bear with me while I switch over to the video, and you can always visit this URL up here at the top of the slide if you want to watch this video again. Okay, listen carefully. All right, cool, right? Turns out that this same process actually works for wheat washing too. And as I said before, your book does a really nice job of highlighting other examples, including some from humans. So definitely do read this chapter to learn more, and we'll come back to this idea of cultural transmission throughout the quarter. So that's it for today. I hope you all have a nice weekend, and I'll see you Monday in class.